Hi everybody, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. Today we are doing... What part are we doing?
6 maybe? 6 or 7?
I don't think it's 7.
Then probably 6.
Of the Teddy Ruxpin repair. We got Grubby here. Grubby looks a little shocked about his friend over there. What are we gonna try next?
We gotta try and work on those little contacts on the back of the tape player to see if we can get it playing. See if we can get the motor to go all the time. It kind of does, but it doesn't.
I'm not like too worried if we can get any of his movements working, but I at least want to get his sound working.
Yeah, I really would too, since we put a lot of work into it already.
Mm-hmm.
So it's something with this little wheel. It touches together there. And it seems to touch together there.
Pulled out one of my teeth today.
Oh yeah. You did.
I'm not sure if it's that easy to see on the camera, but I'll show where it was. Right there. Under this tooth, it's growing in already. That tooth was grown over it.
Mm-hmm.
I was like a shark. The 2 layers of teeth. Oh, I'm gonna show him that thing Bubba got me.
Oh yeah. Alright. Now let's see if yeah, I need to that would be sandpaper. Nice and clean.
Bubba dropped this toy off from yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Was it yesterday or was it the day before?
No, it was yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. It's this Christmas sigh singing toy from Duck Dynasty.
It was one of those reality shows, guys that made duck calls. Something like that. I never watched it.
It was 2013 is when it was made, and it fully works. We didn't even have to change the batteries.
Mm-hmm.
He's not still attached in the box. It's like wired in there.
Mm-hmm.
And the way he got it is kind of weird. You guys won't guess how Bubba got it, where he got it from me.
I bet I can guess.
Well, I'm not asking you, I'm talking about them. He found it in an office dumpster.
Yeah.
But knowing that's where he found it, it's actually pretty clean.
Yeah. Someone probably had it for a decoration when they were cleaning out their office and
Here, let me...
threw it away. That's my guess. See if I can get this rubber band to go back around the water. Where's it? There it is. Mm-hmm.
can even get it off. Oh, I think I found the end of it.
There. So we got the rubber band back on. That we had to use because the little thing for the pulley was way too worn out. Where's the tape?
It's right here. Oops.
Yeah.
It's right here. I just got them out. You got it in the right way?
Yep, I do.
It's not spinning
It's not.
at all.
Oh, that's why.
Oh.
I didn't plug these back in.
Oh.
I unplugged them after last time I did it. Just in case so we didn't accidentally turn it on.
There's a little piece of sandpaper.
Yeah, I use that for contacts.
Oh, it moved a little bit. But it keeps stopping.
Yeah, but if I push these two together,
It still stops.
before it was going,
Maybe that was the wrong pair of contacts.
So it doesn't go at all if those aren't together. What about these ones? That's weird.
Confusing.
It's very confusing.
Didn't you get it to spin for a long time?
Yeah, before I did.
By touching one of those pairs together?
Maybe the tape's in now.
Is it in the wrong way?
Now try and flip it.
Doesn't look like it's spinning at all now.
Just a tiny little bit.
Probably staring at size blocks. It's quite a weird sight to see, huh, buddy?
Yeah, so it should be the other way.
What's making it stop again?
I'm not sure. This is definitely the way it needs to go.
Well, like, what did you say the other day that you said was making it
I
stop?
thought maybe it was one of the websites said that if the contacts were like stuck together, it would.
Well, it doesn't look like any of them are stuck together.
those two have to be together for it to spin, which they are.
Why does it keep making that noise?
Because it's basically like turning and stopping. What is making it stop?
Exactly.
The rubber band is tight enough to make it turn. We'll get me another popsicle stick.
A big one or a small one?
A small one. Open the contacts.
I'm gonna show him what my thing does really quick.
Okay.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. That's my favorite part. I found this, I don't remember if it was yesterday, like last night, or this morning. But this is like a reused model, because I can feel in the back is another battery pack.
Oh, you can?
In the back. Like I can even kind of pull his clothes down a little bit, and I can see where an on and off switch would be, and where the lid comes off, and I can feel it through the fabric. But where his batteries actually go is down here. So it's just like a reused model or something. Ho, ho, ho. I posted a video of him on YouTube last night, and
Oh,
I
you did?
checked on it this morning, and it already had 420 views.
Oh yeah, you told me that.
None of my videos
This
have gotten that many
moves, right?
views that quickly.
Yeah, it was really fast, huh?
What was
What?
that?
I just hit the light with the thing. Really fast. Oh, that's just what.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. What's that?
What?
That thing that you were just pushing.
That's what puts the tape in. It clamps down.
That makes it spin.
Yeah. That's what puts these two contacts together. And it's working. Because as soon as they touch, it takes off. Then it stops.
Why does it stop?
I don't know.
The numbers up there keep
Even with the
jumping
tape
all
out,
over the
it.
place. Huh? It's doing stuff with the tape out?
Well, yeah, I'm pushing those contacts together.
Shouldn't be doing anything with the tape out.
It does if I force it to.
The tape reader is bad. Voltage is different.
Yeah, it's because it's trying to turn it. So it's called a load. There's a load on the power, but it's not spinning.
As you spin it, the voltage is kind of changing.
Mm-hmm.
Why does the voltage change when you spin it?
It's not really changing. It's right on the edge there. Okay, so what could it be?
It could be broken.
Well, we know that.
It could be stopping. Which I think we know that too. I just think it's funny how Grubby is just staring at the side of size box. He looks so phased. Teddy Ruxpin, I think, is like the smallest pair of the storytellers.
Alright, that means there's got to be something else.
In his body?
I don't know. Something else is wrong. I just don't know what.
Who knows what?
That's all right. Okay. I was like standing there watching some native strawberries, and for some reason it popped in my head. I said, "Oh, have right." I was like, "After the message came."
Nothing looks
Yeah.
bad over there.
I was like, "Oh crap! I'm sure he's done by now, but I'm gonna message him anyway." Yeah, that's right. Hopefully shower. Why would you be able to shower? Oh Lord.
Hey Greg,
Yeah.
what do you think about Teddy being taken apart? All freaking It's
Oh, you
scary.
probably feel a lot better if
I
you
think
took the
he's in
shower.
a lot of pain right now.
Oh my goodness, how funny.
I wonder if maybe someone else took them apart and didn't put all the wires back together right.
I will try to remember your recipe tomorrow.
That could be.
Alright.
You think?
I don't know.
Alright, love you too. Bye.
Can remember some of them could go in multiple different places.
But if they put them in the wrong spot, then wouldn't it just fry?
Not necessarily. It could possibly just not work.
I think it's weird that the Teddy Ruxpin and Grubby are like the smallest, world's wonder, like storyteller, like tape playing things. Like the Mickey and the Goofy are a lot bigger. The Mother Goose is pretty big.
Yeah.
Her little pal Hector is pretty small since it's a baby duck. And the Snoopy and the prototype. The Charlie Brown was never made. I don't know why. Oh wait, I do know why. Well, to wonder when they bring. Daddy, what?
Why'd they do that?
I don't know.
I don't think this would matter.
What you doing?
I'm just hooking them on the back directly
Don't
to the
let
wires.
those two touch together, remember?
Well, it's not on. But yeah, you don't let them touch together. That is true.
I don't think that's going to change anything.
I don't think so, because I'm pretty sure I tested to make sure those connections were good. Yeah.
No change.
Nope. I just figured I'd try it.
Yeah.
Poor Teddy might not get fixed, bud.
Uh-oh.
Take this little board. Does that come off? Yeah, there's a screw there. Take this little board off. I don't remember if I took this off yet or not. Just to see how.
I don't think you did.
Make sure everything under it is good.
How come there is a little mini circuit board when there's already such a huge one? What's the little one for?
I don't really know, to be honest.
You
For
don't know?
something. It's for something. It's to make them work.
It's for the tape player, I'm guessing.
Yeah, that's part of the tape player.
Since that's where it is.
Mm-hmm.
Since that where it is, I said since that where it is.
All his wires seem good. Is that? Are those touching together? No, they're not. That's good there. That's good there. That's good there.
What you doing?
Checking everything.
You didn't swap those things, did you?
No. I'm just tracing them out. So what all I can do right now is just really check every little wire. See if anything is busted. That's fine, that's fine. That's all, that's all. I'm hoping to find like a broken wire somewhere. That'll explain why it's not working. Everything looks good on that. Can't tell if a component's bad though, just by looking at it. Could just have a resistor or a diode or
I don't know what it
a
is.
little capacitor, any little thing could be burnt out. And then,
The whole thing broken.
yeah. And without having a schematic,
Oh, what? A skedaddle?
it's
Oh.
like a picture that shows all the wires, and then it shows you each component and what the readings should be on each component, like test points that you can do without
I need
having.
one of those.
Well, yeah. I doubt Worlds of Wonder let you have those for free, especially since they're out of business.
You remember that Worlds of Wonder is out of business, right?
Yeah,
They don't make
that's why I just said it. You didn't hear me just say that? It's so clean. I think if something was messed up, it would, I mean, it doesn't always, but a lot of times if a component burns out, it'll leave a little bit of discoloration.
So always turkey.
But everything on this circuit board looks perfect. So I really don't know, but I wonder,
Worlds of Wonder.
if we put it back in and like mounted it the way it's supposed to go, if that would help.
Mount?
Yeah, it's like reattach.
Oh.
I don't think that would make a difference, but maybe something on here pushes on something and
Well, if that's the case, then we probably wouldn't have even needed to take it apart.
well, I did have to take it apart because those little contacts that are on there,
Yeah.
these were all really dirty, so I don't think they were making good contact. I know I checked that stuff, but I'm gonna check those again before I put it back together and make sure everything's getting contact good. multimeter beeping?
What is that thing?
A multimeter.
For some reason, Ravi's face, just by moving his upper jaw up, makes his face look smaller and cuter. Ah! Look at the differences between his top jaw down and it being up.
Are you talking to them?
Huh?
You talking to them or to me?
Them.
Okay, good. Wait, that should be have contact right now. It's not beeping.
It's not open. I'll smell good. Is it on?
Yeah.
Text message.
Woo! Text a message.
Why am I not getting? Why is it not beeping? There we go.
Robbie looks unimpressed. What's that noise it's making? Is it supposed to make that noise?
Yep, it is. Oh, I took the tape out, so it's.
Bleep, 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 bleep. Bleep, 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 beep, bleep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Bleep, bleep, bleep.
Well,
Bleep, 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 bleep.
yeah, I think we're gonna try and put it back together now. I know all that's the reason we took it apart. And I know we got that fixed. Cleaning all those connectors and stuff. So let's try to put the tape deck back in it. So this piece has to go in there. Just gotta remember.
Looks like Robbie is claiming my seat.
Yes.
Yep.
All right. So,
Robbie is not sure if he approves
if he approves what?
of my best friend being in the surgery. It looks really painful.
I bet you he don't feel anything.
What makes you think that?
How much time we got?
Oh, yeah, I didn't think of that.
36, I think it says.
Yeah, 36 and a half minutes.
36 and a half minutes.
How come everything unplugged?
So I can put it back in here.
I'm really impressed right now.
Well, fortunately, I'm not here to impress Grubby.
Boy, this is the movie theater, I thought this was the movie theater. I was
Felt
told that it was
wrong.
gonna be quite a show.
You were wrong, Grubby.
Well, I guess I was wrong. Seems like Grubby's got a little goofy impression in him.
Yeah, he sounds just like Goofy.
I just think it's crazy how they're not voiced by the same person.
It might be.
No, they're not.
Oh, then did you look it up? It's a different voice actor.
I didn't see who the voice of Goofy, I don't remember who the voice of the Goofy was, but I think it was Will Ryan was the voice of Grubby.
Mm-hmm. Will Ryan. Oh, let's go through there, not through here.
Ah, Grubby! You're blocking the view. Apparently Grubby's watching the video through the camera. Look at that.
I see.
Look at his face. His face looks so funny right now. Looks like Teddy finally woke up. His eyes are actually open now.
There.
Yeah, I think they were closed when we started the video.
They were.
I think so. Something
Always
might have moved.
been getting worked on for a while, so that's not surprising. There. So we got that in. So that's in where it goes.
Please stop touching my antenna.
That's in where it goes.
I'm messing with Grubby's big antenna. That. I'm slapping his big antenna.
Alright, so, oh yeah, I forgot. I drilled that out, didn't I?
Huh?
Remember I drilled that one out? Because it was
Oh.
broken? It's
Yeah.
been so long.
You forgot?
I forgot. I'll just put this one on for now.
Okay, Grubby, I'm gonna move you back a little bit. So you're kind of blocking everybody's view. There's a screw right there.
That's a nut.
A nut.
This is the,
It looks like a piece
Bolt.
of metal to me.
it is, it's a nut. It goes on,
Nuts are not made out of metal.
yes they are.
They're made out of nuts.
It's a different kind of nut. It's a nut
What
that
type
goes
of nut
on,
is it?
it's a nut that goes on the end of a tiny little bolt.
Tell me when you need the tape. You gotta move the lid down a little bit.
Yeah. I'll
Oh
get
yeah,
to
how are we gonna put that piece back in?
that. What piece? Oh, and where?
Basically,
This?
yeah.
Just like that?
How are we gonna fix this piece? It's all shiny and it's all bent.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll be able to, when we're done, we'll just glue it in right here, like
But I
that.
don't want it to be like all bent on the end like that.
Yeah, I don't know how we'll fix any of that. Where's the tape?
Right here. Is the tape like in the middle or something? Like in the middle of the story, so that way.
No, it's towards the end.
Oh,
Or it's towards the beginning on this side.
because if we don't put it in the right way, then
Then it won't work. Correct.
Correct. Remember which of the plugs go where?
I will once I grab my phone. Keeps lifting it. Oh, that thing. You want to go get me some Scotch tape? I want to tape this piece down.
Disgusted.
Yes, please.
Disgusted. What about a Ruxpin tape? An odd adventure tape.
Is there any in there?
What tape?
Did you take it out?
I don't remember.
Do you have any in your room?
I'll go look real quick.
Alright, there's the little wiring diagram. So I make sure I put everything right where it goes. So that one goes there. This one goes. Three, so this one's got that one.
I do have it.
Okay,
Here you go.
set it down, please, in front of me.
I'll put it right there.
That'll work.
Plugged all the things in the right spot.
Yep. There.
Bubby's eating my head. Look at the camera. He's eating my head. Ow.
No, it wasn't that. I do not know why he don't work, bud.
I'm not sure if I know this probably isn't it, but really quick, I want to unplug it from this thing and try and put the batteries in and hold
Yeah.
the battery cover over it
Okay.
and see if it's something wrong with the little machine thing we got. Possibly. I'm just taking a wild guess. I'm not.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt to try.
Because we haven't actually used the batteries.
For a while, yeah.
Yeah, for a while. No, I'll turn it on.
Okay.
And don't forget the fun part. Well,
Oh my god!
going to tell our friends about our
Is he moving?
One day,